Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I got a bunch of new makeup to open for you guys that I will eventually be filming tutorials with. I'm super excited to open these things because this one especially because it is from the new ColourPop collab with Kathleen Light's The Zodiac makeup. So I'm super duper stoked. I'm going to open this first because of that, if I can get it out. Always so bad at this opening packages thing. So open, everything's out. We have this Stay Cool card all cute. Okay, so I did not get the whole collection. I only got some of it because this sold out like super fast. I tried to get it the first go around and it was so fastly gone that I couldn't get it. So I got the Scorpio Moon lipstick, which I've actually never bought a legit lipstick from ColourPop. So this is my first one. And that is what that looks like. And I'm so excited about this palette. So I love zodiac signs. I'm like super into them. Look at how cute it is. And the backs are cute. Look at that shine though. Oh my goodness. Okay. And this one has a mirror and the names on the front. Mirror. Names, which is super exciting. These colors are just super pretty. Mine is this one here, the Gemini. So I'm super duper excited to film a tutorial. That's actually going to be my next video. Is a tutorial on this eyeshadow palette and I'll use this lipstick with it. I also purchased another no filter concealer. I did a review on this concealer a while back. I will link it in the top somewhere. So I get Fair in 02. So like almost the lightest one they make. I have almost used the entire thing because I love it so much. And I don't even know when I bought it last. It wasn't that long ago. A couple months ago maybe. 2 or 3 months ago. It's over halfway gone. I'm obsessed with it. I wear it all the time. Like it is my favorite one so far that I've used. I've used quite a few different concealers. That one is just, I love this one so much. And it's only like $6. Oh hello. So I got this package here. It's huge. BH. I purchased a lot. I mean like a lot of their makeup just because it works well and it's like super affordable. So you can buy like a whole bunch of it at once, which is awesome. And they always have deals going on. It's like booby trapped in here. Hold on, I need to grab some scissors. Okay, we've got some scissor opening going on. I don't know if I can cut that. Okay, I think that's enough cutting of this box. Okay, so this is a whole lot of makeup in this wrapping. My cats are gonna have a heyday. I just want you guys to see this, how long this is. So the thing on the top is this 26 colored eyeshadow and blush palette. So here. So this is what this looks like on the outside, obviously. I can open this. So this is what this palette looks like. I'm so excited to get into this. Hot pink is like insane. Okay, this is the next one. So this was the like alt. There's this one and that, the first one I just showed you. So I bought both because they are different. This one is legitly opposite. This is dirty though. Hold on. Easy clean. Okay, I was super excited for this one specifically. That's what this palette looks like. It's so beautiful. So this, okay. I don't know why these ones have writing on them and this one didn't, but that's okay. So this is what this one looks like and this is what this one looks like. Look how cute. That one has a little symbol in it. So that is what these two look like. They're like opposites of each other. I like it. Right, so then this is the next thing. I'm super excited in this. Look at those. I cannot wait to highlight with these, especially the blue one, because I have never used a blue one before. So that's kind of cool. And then I like that it has a mirror in it. That's pretty cool. Most of their palette don't, I feel like. So that's pretty cool. This is the next one. Like I said, I went a little crazy. I got all of these. So there's 7 altogether. I got all 7 for $56. That's a pretty good deal. Packaging is just like what it came in. This one also has a mirror. Oh, that's cute. So that's what this looks like. The middle one, I don't know if you guys can see, but it has the BH slammed into it. So I'm super excited about this palette. There's a lot of really great colors in it. There's like 3 or 4 different ones that look like this, but they're different colors. So I was like, I like the pink one, I'm getting the pink one. Alright, so I stick to like super bright, crazy blush. And so I was like, I need to just get like blush palettes or something. So I kind of like am forced almost to try different stuff. So this is a nude blush palette. And that's what these look like. So I'm kind of excited to try some new stuff out just because I love pink, super crazy pink blush. But I do like other blush, I just never buy it. So this way I'm kind of like forced to try something different for once. Because I'll get like little stuff here and there, and I'll try it, but not like that crazy. This is the classic blush palette. So this has more pink options in it, which I'm totally cool with, but they're different pink. I mean, there's pink that I obviously use in here too, but there's different versions of pink blush in this, which is cool. And then this. I've had my eye on this Wild Child palette for like a while, and I honestly don't know how much it normally is, but it was like $6. I was like, I can't pass that up. That's such a good deal. Gotta get it. So there are 9 colors in this. And they're just so beautiful. And there's a mirror. But I'm like super stoked about these because they're all like, they're baked eyeshadows. So they're a little bit different. But got this and this and this. See if I can hold them all. And this and this. Oh my gosh. We got one trying to leave me. And these. So I got all of this for $56. That is insane. Like really insane. And then I'm pretty sure these 3 together were 31. So this was 7. I'm pretty sure. 6. 18. This is all new makeup. So I have a lot of new stuff to film and create for you guys with all of this awesomeness. I'm super stoked about it. I honestly cannot wait to start filming the Zodiac palette for my next video. I'm like, I don't know why, but that palette just, I had to have it. I'm just super into astrology, super into like people's zodiac signs and how much they're alike with them and everything, how much I'm alike with mine or not. Like, it's really cool to kind of get into all of that for some reason. It always has been to me. And so, sorry, my cats are like killing each other. Time is always super late for them. But anyways, I'm super into zodiac signs, so I was so stoked to get this palette. I was so excited that she came out with this. Like, I don't even know. I'm just so excited about it. I actually need to buy the BH zodiac sign one too. It is such a beautiful palette. I will probably get that soon-ish. Who knows? I have so much new makeup to play with. I don't even know what to do with myself, but I'm super excited about it. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Comment below if there's anything specific in this pile of crazy makeup that you guys want me to try for you, and I will. I'll make a specific tutorial on whatever you guys want, but I'm so excited to film for this little baby right here. Enjoy the rest of your guys' day. Don't forget to subscribe, and I love you guys so much. Bye guys!